More. It's all the same. I mean, I'm just looking for little nuances or trying to, bring some stuff together and or just have other people see that it's right in front of our faces all this time. This was just an entrance to a pretty fancy apartment building on Riverside Drive in the city. I mean, could you get this built now? I mean, I guess it's just artisanship, but the diamond, of course, throughout. Wow. Another shot of that. Looks like it has some sort of flowery looking plants popping out of here. This interlocking mechanism you see often in those old manuscripts, etc. Yeah, it's weaving up here. This building is pretty interesting to me. I mean, trying to kind of figure out what I'm looking at exactly, just because it's like these layers are almost like different periods of building or different renovations or different, uh, I don't know. And the whole design, the symbology, you can see just the black damage spread across, and then all the typical symbols, etc. I think this building is also called the Colosseum, and it looks like a Roman, Greek, right, style building, I guess. The black behind there, the diamonds. I mean, if you don't think that's weird, then fine. You don't have to think it's weird. Just it's a pretty. Oh, they just put diamonds. Get over it. Okay. And I'm not saying I have it all figured out. I'm just saying, to me, it seems like there's more to it. The shell, of course, the stripes, the boat, of course, heavily. And look at this thing. Oh, this has one, two, three under the dome with the circle. I was pointing out in the last video, I think that I've noticed that there's one, two domes under one dome, and that's like everywhere. Another shot close up top. Also, how it's in the ground like that on this angle, how the hill comes up and these just sink into the ground looks kind of weird to me. And then look how it's clean in certain places and not. I mean, it's on a semi busy intersection, I guess. I mean, this isn't like crazy. And up close here, this whole situation is just who is this person? Was this a common known person, these types of random heads on these buildings at that time? Yeah, there, close up. I mean, wow. With the things here too? Who is this person? The black hidden back there. I mean, we're not talking about like some fumes and discoloration. We're talking about like pure layer of blackness. Maybe that's normal, you know? Um, these two, this beaded kind of thing, I see a lot too. Random picture, look down at a building. Oh, just pyramids. This is the Nicholas Roerich Museum. I think he was kind of an esoteric, mystical artist slash person. Um, in one of the mud flood buildings, you know, with all the usual. This is on that building that has the weird antenna looking thing at the front of it. And I noticed this on a few things. The fireplaces have the diamond symbol on them. So, and also like a star fort kind of shape, I thought. Maybe less so, I think, now, because those are usually like on the corners. And throughout, though. So maybe, you know, whatever was being exhausted through the fireplace or whatever this was has to do with the diamond. The stripes. The diamond. And a random window at the base of a massive building that just doesn't make sense. Look at the dark. Maybe this thing was on fire and it was just replaced and they kept whatever they could and some of them were covered in black and then they replaced them with new ones. Absolutely. More diamonds everywhere. That's pretty cool. Come back in another video. Everybody, thanks for watching and commenting.